Here's a simple juice tonic. I have black pepper, turmeric, blood oranges, lemon, and ginger. To my blender, you'll see I've added the ginger cut up. I do squeeze the juice out of the lemon and the oranges first and add it to the blender along with 16 ounces of filtered water. Sprinkle in the turmeric and the black pepper. You're going to want to blend this for about 2 minutes, and then I place it to strain. You're going to push down that extra pulp with a spoon to get all the juices out. Then I dispersed it into one jar. I take a shot at this each day with some olive oil on top. Enjoy!